I'm standing on hallowed ground. Celebrities, athletes, and hardcore fans have come to this basement to experience what might be the ultimate man cave on Earth and steal ideas for their own. This is Game Room Theater. It's packed with lights, TVs, projectors, simulators, arcade games, and some seriously smart tech running everything behind the scenes. And the best part? Almost all of it is automated. What's crazy is how much of this looks insanely expensive, but is actually pretty simple to set up once you understand how it works. So let me show you around. You know that feeling when you walk into a stadium? It's exciting, a little chaotic, and totally immersive. Game Room Theater is designed to feel exactly like that, but in your own house. Right when you walk in, you've got things like this F1 racing simulator that was actually at a real Formula One race, and casually signed by an F1 driver. No big deal. Arcade classics like NBA Jam, one of my all-time favorites, Terminator 2, Judgment Day, ceiling-mounted projectors, smart ceiling lights, even a pudding green. There's a claw machine that my kids would absolutely lose their minds over, another racing simulator, a full flight simulator. Yeah, this house doesn't hold back. And then there's the theater. 6 movie theater seats, digital movie posters, massive speakers hidden behind an acoustically transparent screen. This thing sounds unreal. But we're not done. Up above, there's a sports ticker scrolling live stats, pinball machines with smart lighting behind them, screens all over the room, a holographic fan, and even a smart coffee table with Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging, and a fridge built inside so your drinks are literally right next to you. And of course, a huge TV for watching games. But bigger is always better. Because with one automation, the projector screen lifts up. The short-throw projector slides out. And suddenly, the entire wall turns into a massive game day experience. And then there's this, a mini jumbotron in a house. It shows live stats for whatever game is playing. Right now, it's Kansas City versus the Chargers. And honestly, I want one of these in my own home immediately. But the real question is, how does all of this actually work?